Hi guys, how are you doing? At first, we would like to introduce ourselves briefly. We are the Rainforest Conservation Token team. 5 idealists, all experts in different fields, a physicist, 3 IT guys, and a biologist, teacher, and language freak. Dr. Axel Lode from Germany is responsible for hybrid smart contracts and data origination. Arun Jankra from India is responsible for Solidity and backend. Prasam Singhal from India is responsible for front-end and integration. Yogesh Agrawal, also from India, is responsible for hybrid smart contracts and Chainlink functions. And Alexander Schinko, living in Switzerland, is responsible for networking and operations. What do we want to achieve? We would like to use the blockchain for an incentive alignment in rainforest preservation and apply Chainlink proof of reserves to rainforest preservation. Why do we want to do this? Preserving rainforests is crucial, both for our own survival and nature, for conservation of biodiversity, and for the fight against climate change. How do we plan to get there? The Rainforest Proof of Conservation token is created by a trust-minimized decentralized application on the Polygon blockchain. Rainforest owners need to pass the proof of ownership process to register their rainforest for tracking. The proof of conservation process is inspired by Chainlink's proof of reserves, where reserves audits are made transparent for everyone. Similarly, the proof of conservation process uses Chainlink functions to implement a transparent audit of rainforest cover and carbon absorption for everyone. Forest owners submit documents that demonstrate their ownership of a certain piece of land covered by rainforest. To get started, we would need proof of ownership documents, proof of boundary certificates that would contain the coordinates of the land and some images of the rainforest the owner wants us to register. The owner would need to upload all these details onto our registration page and wait until we give our approval. After the submission, our team would carefully examine these documents to verify the ownership of the land. We may even contact the owners for further proof and collaboration. How do the claims work? Now that the rainforest owner has been whitelisted, he or she can claim our rainforest conservation tokens. To know how much his or her forests are worth, they click the Execute Request function. The rainforest owners can now see how many tokens they can claim. This is calculated using the net carbon flux of the land that the RaCoTo owner has registered with us. Now that the RaCoTo owner knows how many tokens have been earned, it's time to claim those tokens by clicking the Claim Token function to transfer all the tokens to his or her wallet. Note, if the rainforest owner calls the execute request at, let's say, June 11th, 2023, 10 p.m., the next time he or she calls the execute request, the RaCoTos will be calculated based on the net carbon emissions after June 11th, 2023, 10 p.m. Where are we right now? We managed to develop a trustless concept for the incentivized preservation of rainforest. We deployed a D-app prototype that implements this concept on the Mumbai testnet of the Polygon network. We also deployed a front-end web UI prototype. And here comes the outlook. We are already in contact with some rainforest owners who have committed to work with our project. We are currently establishing a roadmap towards fully decentralized data origination. In the future, we would like to use more data sources like Sentinel Hub or IceEye to improve the security and decentralization of the proof of preservation process. We aim to collaborate with a Brazilian lawyer to implement trustless proof of ownership verification with integrated third-party services.